Ever wonder how pro traders always catch the perfect pullbacks? It's not magic, it's the Fibonacci strategy. In this video, I'll break it down step by step so you can trade smarter and with more confidence, even if you are a beginner. So, make sure to watch till the end, hit that like button and subscribe if you are serious about leveling up your trading game. Alright, let's jump straight into it. Here is exactly how the Fibonacci trading strategy works and how you can start using it on your charts today. First thing first, I'm going to give you the basics of Fibonacci retracement tool, and this is how it looks. In our previous video, I showed you how to customize it, and today I'm going to give you the basic parts where we are interested with. So, a Fibonacci retracement, mainly we're interested in two parts, and it's in this 50% and 61.8%. So basically it has three parts: 0.00%, 50.00%, 61.80%, and 100%. These are all the retracement, but mainly we are interested in these two parts. So in an uptrend market, let's draw an uptrend structure. It will look like this. This is an uptrend market. If you want to draw your Fibonacci tool to catch these retracements, you will basically draw it like this way. So the 0% will be above if it's an uptrend, like in this case this is an uptrend, and 100% will be below. As I said, 0% will be on the upper part and 100% will be on the lower part for an uptrend market. For a downtrend market, it will look like this. Downtrend market, it will look like this. And in our previous video, I did a video about how to customize Fibonacci tool. So if you still have issues with customizing it, you can revisit the video. So in a downtrend market, the zero will be in a downtrend market, the zero will be on the downside. On the downside, like this. So 0 will be on this side. It's like the 0% represents the direction of the market. 100% will be on the top. Then we are interested in these two parts. Now let's go to a real chart so that you can understand. And in this situation, we got this good upward trend, and you can take this Fibonacci retracement, you can put here, because it's in an uptrend market. I told you that 0 for an uptrend market is above and 100% is below. So after drawing this, you draw your levels from the lowest week to the highest recent week. Now assume this move had not been created. So you draw your fib levels from here to here. After drawing, we are interested in this part. I told you that we're interested in 50 and 61. So for most cases, I usually enter the market when level 50 gets hit or level 61, but basically between 50 and 61.8, this is our premium zone, and you can enter the market in this area. So if you are to enter, you could have, this is a long, you could have placed your entry here, then few pips below the 61 point something, and you catch all this big move. Let's look for another example. Here is another example. There is this level from here. I told you that Fibonacci is used to catch these retracements. They're not pullbacks there. and this one. So if you want to catch this move, what you will basically do, pick your tool, then hover it over your levels from there to this. Okay, after drawing, you wait for the market to hit your premium zone. This is our zone, between 50 and 61.8. One price reaches this level, you just enter. It's very easy, not complicated. So if you're still struggling to customize your fib, you can watch my previous videos. Then can we look for one last video? Can we try to see if this worked? We have this move from here to here. So pick your retracement tool, then do like this. What happened? Sorry, do like this. After drawing your premium tool, after drawing that, wait for the price to hit your zone. And what happened? It came well, tapped our 50 zone, and boom, did as we expected. Now that was for an uptrend market. Let's try and look for a downtrend market. In downtrend market, we're going to do same thing, but I told you zero should be on the lower side. So let's try to look at this point, this one, from here to here. We can see this was a downtrend, there was this pullback. So if you wanted to catch this pullback, you could have come and put your fib here, then your level here, sorry, from the top of the wick to the bottom of the wick. See what happened? No, it's supposed to be. So if you could have entered the market at this point, and placed your pips around 50, basically for gold, a stop loss of 50, you could still have won this trade. But let's look for a more precise one. There is this one from here to here. You take your level to that zone and this one. Let's say if you could have from this zone here at 100% and this where we have 0%, then you wait for a pullback down into our zone and enter. What happened? The market pulled back to this zone, then you enter, you trade. See what happened? All this over 394 pips, and that's what happened. Yeah, I think we are done with the Fibonacci retracement tool. If you still have a problem with it, you can comment below so that I can create a video addressing your issue. Yeah, you can see like today gold is behaving very well. This is what is doing. See at this zone, if you could have entered at this point, this was an uptrend, then there was this pullback, this was an uptrend, this pullback to our premium zone, then see gold is buying. So what you could have done, just enter here, don't be greedy, just target the previous high and you get your 1, 2, 3 or 4 reward to risk ratio. And that was all about this video. Kindly like and comment below. Goodbye.